Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 21st of August 2016 and we're providing our gold and silver update for week ending the 19th of August. Gold rose in US dollar terms last week by $5 from 1,336 to 1,341, having hit a high of 1,357 and a low of 1,336. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £1,026, down £7. And in euros, it closed at €1,185. That's down €12 on the week. Silver fell 40 cents, from $19.72 to $19.42, having reached a high of $20.11 and a low of $19.22. In sterling terms, it closed at £14.77. That's down 48 pence for the week. And in euros, down 0.60 euros at 17.06 euros per ounce. The gold to silver ratio rose from 67.7 to 1 to 69.4 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 18,552, down 45 points on the day and down 24 points on the week. And the Nasdaq closed at 5,238, up 2 points on the day and up 6 points on the week. Brent Crude was up $3.91 at $50.88, and US Light Crude was up $4.03 at $48.52. The dollar index stands at 94.51. That's down 1.21 on the week. Gold fell on Friday for the first time this week as hawkish comments from US Federal Reserve officials renewed bets on a US rate hike this year, but was still on track to end the week with modest gains, which it did, albeit by $5. The important thing we want our listeners to remember is that while August is a time when traders are on holiday, thereby causing relatively subdued action, amid weakening greenback and fears of Eurozone crises, the central banks across the world will buy more gold than they sell in a bid to diversify their reserves, causing the supply constraints and subsequently will lead to a further rise in gold prices. That said, we see this week beginning with weaker prices, and should gold get close to that 1,300 level, then buyers should seriously consider topping up, unless of course they are already fully committed. Silver, we are a little less optimistic about very short term, in that we saw on Friday prices fall to the early $19.40s. level, and we expect this to continue into early next week. Do not be surprised to see silver fall into $18 territory, and should it reach the early $18, then again those who are underweight in silver should seriously consider topping up, in our view, as we do see silver at higher levels later in the year. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.